welcome back, welcome back. This is going to be my full system. So all this piece of code was the same one we had working earlier with the motion sensor, red LED, green LED, buzzer. Now the only thing I'm going to do is try to incorporate the sending the text message and sending the email as well. So at the very top up here, we're going to need to import quite a few things. And the things we're going to need to import are simply the names of the files that we have. I noticed that when I imported the file at the very top here, the code was run from these files before everything else was done. So I think the solution to this would be to delete the imports from the very top. So I'll get rid of those from there and actually import them where you want them to actually work so that when it gets there, it will just do that thing straight away. So let's press play and see what happens now. Yeah, it seems to be working now. Checking for motion. I'm going to pick up or move my hand over to the PIR. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Motion detected, connecting, doing all of its stuff in the background, looking at my phone as well. I'm not going to show this step because I'm telling you it works, it's fine. Yep, that's a text message that just came in, and email. I will check my email address in a few minutes, but that's the entire system, guys. And this system is by no means perfect. And when we come to do the review, I'm actually going to do some research and find a better way to do this because having this here doesn't work properly. It works, but it only works once. So if the while loop goes again and again, which it should because it's an infinite loop, when the else statement is run and it gets back to this section here, this doesn't happen again because an import only happens once. So I need to find a way or figure out a way to let this section of code here, when I needed to send the email and send a text message, I need to figure out how I can make it work regardless of where the import is. Now, I think the way to do this would simply be to put everything in this file in a single function, put everything in this file in a single function, put it at the very top of my code, and when it gets to this section, it will run again and again and again. That should work, but let's see. But I'll only do that step when we come to the optimizing section. So thanks for watching. Hopefully that was helpful. We did quite a few bits and pieces here and there. So stay tuned.